Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have a really fun video for y'all today. I am comparing two different beach waver hair tools. I'm using two of the most popular style wavers and I thought this would be a good video to do just in case you're trying to decide which one you want. So I do one on one side, one on the other, and if y'all want to see which is which, then just keep watching. I want to start off by saying that I feel so weird with a middle part. I have not had a middle part for probably about 15 to 20 years probably. I can't even remember the last time I've done a middle part. Even when I do the French braids, I will do my center or my side part and then do it in the center in the back. I'm definitely a millennial and I don't care. I'm proud of that. Apparently I'm chuggy. Obviously I am because I don't even know how to use the term correctly. Wears stuff that's out of style or does things out of style. I'm definitely that, so comment down below and let me know if you are chuggy. But anyways, the reason I have the side part is I'm going to be testing out, or not testing out because I've used them before, but doing two different hair tools on each side. I feel like the best way to do that evenly is to have a middle part, so I'm doing the middle part for y'all. So this is actually my very first hair video because I don't really do much to my hair. I like something that I can fix it once and then leave it for the rest of the week, maybe touching up a little bit. The two tools I am going to be using, like I said, I've used them both, but what you've been seeing in my hair lately is this beach waver by Bedhead. It is called the Wave Artist. I got mine off of Amazon and it does lock, so I really like that, and it's really dirty, so ignore that. Wait till you see the other one. But I don't know, it's just the little things. I like that it doesn't take up a lot of space on your counter because I keep my hair tools that I'm using a bunch on the bathroom sink, my poor husband. But I like that this one closes up. So here's what that one looks like. Please ignore how dirty this one is. I haven't used it in a long time, obviously, and I've had it for years and years and years and years and years, so I don't even know what it's called. I don't know if this particular one is still available. This is what this one looks like. Has the two barrels and then the two places for the barrels, but see how huge this is compared to this one. So if you don't have a lot of counter space, or if you're going to be using it traveling, I would probably go with this one just size wise, but we will see. They may look exactly the same. I don't know, I can't remember. And then this one does have where you can adjust the temperature, if y'all can see. So I have it all the way up. I don't really know what the temperature stands for, but my hair is pretty thick, so I have to have it pretty hot to actually work on my hair. I think I'm going to use the beach waver on this side and then the two barrel one on this side. Okay, so what I'm going to do is one piece with each tool first so I can show y'all how I do it and what it looks like at first. And then when I get to my top layer, I will get back on here so y'all can see me doing it on the top layer and all that. So I don't know if this is the right way. This is just the way I do it. Maybe you can try it this way if you have this product, and then maybe try it a different way. But this is what looks best on my hair, my length, and all of that. So you see how that's like the flat side and then that's the rounded side? Hopefully y'all can see that. I put the flat side up, or like out. Does that make sense? So see how the flat part is up? And just hold it a few seconds and kind of do that. I don't know if you're supposed to do that. And then I'll bring it down. So the longer you hold it on your hair, the deeper the wave is going to be. And I like to hold it for quite a bit to make the waves deep. Since I keep this hairstyle all week, I feel like it makes it last longer. But if you're not going to keep it for a few days, you just want a little bit of a wave, then just hold it for a couple of seconds. I feel like you can kind of tell I didn't hold it quite as long up here, and then I feel like opening it and closing it made it not as deep versus like down here you can see, but I like that better. So don't open and close it, just hold it. I don't know why I did that. And then some people will leave about an inch out, and then some people will curl it all. I honestly do both. It kind of just depends on what I feel like for that day. Okay, so all the videos I've seen, or the tutorials I've seen with tools like this, they will alternate. So I don't know, I might try barrels up on this one to see. I don't know. I don't know what I don't know. Maybe I should alternate. I don't know. I feel like this one's more work. And it's so huge. Okay, so far it looks like this one is a deeper wave and a little bit more curly, and then this one is more like subtle beachy waves. So personally for me, I like this side, but if you're wanting just like subtle beachy waves, then you may prefer the 2-barrel. Alright, I have done everything but the top layer. I'm gonna do the top layer live so y'all can see me doing it and all that. But so far, here is what it looks like. This is the beach waver, the bed head, and then this side is the 2-barrel Revlon. So I did play around with this one a little bit. I did flat side up, barrels up, and flip-flopped it, and personally I like barrels up better. So I will show y'all, and I will hold it exactly the same. So I go up as high as I can. And then what I do is I actually go, see where that was from the 2nd barrel, I actually go in with that with the 1st barrel. That way I know it's lined up. You don't have to do that. That is just what I like to do. So I'll do this next piece like going down further. So I'll go past the waves. I feel like it looks about the same, so that would take less time. Now I'm going to do a couple pieces with this one. And then I do the flat part up with this one. So I was wondering why this one wasn't doing as well. It turned off. So that is another feature about the bedhead one that I like, that after so long it turns off on its own. Like, it was still on the button and still plugged in. It just goes off on its own. This other Revlon is still on. So if you're somebody who forgets to unplug your straightener and hair tools, maybe this would be a better option. Okay, let's try this piece again. So like I said, for this one, I do the flat side up. I was wondering why it wasn't as curly. There we go. That's better. So the more I look at my hair, I don't think my part is in the center. I tried to go straight up from my nose, but even my middle part is a side part. Anyway, here is the final result. This one is the barrel waver. I did leave my ends out a little bit on this side because I like how it looked better. And then this side is the deep waver, and I did wave the ends on this side. Y'all probably already know which one I'm gonna pick, but just seeing them side by side makes me love it that much more. And I love this side so much better, and that side is the Bedhead Wave Artist. I just love the volume that this side has. And just in case you don't like this much volume, it does tone down as the days go on. Even tomorrow, it won't be as fluffy, but it will still be more voluminous probably than this side, because I feel like this side is pretty flat, but it is still really pretty. It kind of reminds me of like mermaid waves, and this will be good for you if you want something a little bit more natural and you don't want the volume or don't need the volume. Maybe you have voluminous hair on its own. But I will go ahead and link both of these down below in the description box, and just in case they don't still make this one, I will link a few others so you have different options. And this one's my favorite, but I will go ahead and link different options to this one as well, just so y'all have different things to choose from if you are wanting to purchase one of these. But I really hope that this video helped you if you are trying to decide between the two different tools, and let me know down below in the comments which one y'all like better. But if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my upcoming videos. But I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.